Most of us are on a mission to find a perfect anti-aging skincare routine. This hunt usually results in trying and testing hundreds of face washes, creams, and serums, masks, and supplements on a daily basis. When we've got a bit more money to spare, we might treat ourselves to a spa treatment or an acid peel, or when there's less cash to splash, resort to using makeup to cover up the wrinkles we don't like. There's nothing wrong with any of these methods of preventing skin aging, apart from they're all fairly expensive and only ever produce short-term effects. Even if you find an anti-aging product that seems to work for you, you'll need to use it regularly for the rest of your life to benefit from its ingredients. If you'd rather spend your money elsewhere from time to time, try putting your experiment with skincare treatments on hold and instead eat the foods that help your body produce the best protein for anti-aging. Collagen. So, what is collagen and why do we need it? If you're still somewhat confused about the role collagen plays in the skin aging process, here's everything you need to know. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and is found in our skin, muscles, bones, and connective tissues. Aside from being essential for joint health, collagen is also responsible for maintaining supple skin and elasticity. As we get older, our bodies produce less collagen. Luckily, there are ways we can provide ourselves with the collagen we're missing out on to keep our hair, skin, and nails healthy and glowing. Here are the 3 biggest healthy collagen-promoting foods to add into your diet today. 1. Oysters. Oysters might be more of a fine dining food, but if you want an excuse to eat them outside of a fancy restaurant, they're thought to be incredibly beneficial for anti-aging. Oysters contain high levels of copper, which is a key mineral that helps us create collagen. Also found in oysters is zinc, which is an important nutrient for skin health. Zinc helps to heal wounds faster and maintain the appearance of skin. You can serve oysters raw, baked, grilled, or steamed in a variety of dishes. If you've never cooked with oysters before, give it a go. It's worth trying something new for the anti-aging benefits they provide. 2. Legumes. Legumes like black beans, green peas, peanuts, soybeans, and green beans contain many minerals and proteins that can improve your skin's suppleness and texture. Chickpeas are especially great for collagen synthesis because they are rich in zinc and vitamin C, which help to repair damaged skin faster. It's simple to add legumes to your dishes in place of carbohydrates like potato, pasta, and rice. Because they're high in protein, you can also swap legumes for meat products for a vegetarian or vegan take on your favorite dish. 3. Chicken. Chicken contains all of the amino acids required to make collagen. These compounds are the building blocks of both peptides and proteins and play a specific role in skincare. Amino acids maintain skin's hydration, texture, resilience, and an overall supple, healthy appearance. Eating chicken is the simplest way to provide your skin with a good dose of what it needs to stay as smooth as possible. There are hundreds of popular dishes that include chicken for you to try out in your anti-aging diet. Try roasting chicken in its own juices to get the best skincare benefits from your dish. 4. Leafy greens. Greens like spinach, cabbage, kale, collard greens, and lettuce are known for carrying all sorts of nutrients, including skincare favorite vitamin C. The nutrient that makes these veggies green is just as important in keeping your skin healthy. All green plant foods contain chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their vibrant green color. Studies have shown that consuming chlorophyll may increase procollagen, the forerunner to collagen, in the skin. Chlorophyll and liquid chlorophyll supplements can offer strong antioxidant activity against UV damage, preventing free radicals from promoting premature aging. You can get more than enough chlorophyll from your diet alone by adding dark green leafy veggies to your main dishes during lunch and dinner time. 5. Red bell peppers. Vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients involved in collagen synthesis, and red bell peppers are a fantastic source of it. The older the pepper gets, the more vitamin C it contains, making red peppers, the oldest type, most useful for collagen production. Vitamin C provides protection from free radicals, helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and brightens and promotes an even skin tone, all the anti-aging essentials. You can switch up your green and yellow peppers for red peppers for the highest vitamin C content. Peppers taste delicious when fried and added to curries, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. You can also roast peppers in olive oil to fire up the flavor in your dishes. 6. Eggs. No matter how you enjoy your eggs, providing you eat the yolk, you'll benefit from their anti-aging properties. Egg yolks contain the collagen we need for strong, supple, wrinkle-free skin. Egg whites also carry the amino acids and trace minerals needed to make collagen. As an added bonus, the collagen found in eggs can help support joint health, so much so that people now take eggshell supplements for their joints alone. It's really simple to include more eggs in your diet. They're a fantastic protein source, so when you fancy a break from meats, you can use eggs in their place. You'll get the most nutritional benefits from boiling or poaching your eggs rather than frying them. 7. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is a particularly effective anti-aging organic compound as it's needed to link amino acids during collagen production. One medium-sized orange has about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is pretty good considering the daily recommendation for an adult woman is 75 milligrams. Vitamin C contributes to photoprotection, helping to prevent damage from sunlight and speed up wound healing. Citrus fruits are the best-known sources of vitamin C, but actually other fruits and vegetables have been found to carry more. Top sources of vitamin C include kiwi, papaya, mango, cauliflower, spinach, and potatoes. Try switching up your regular fruits and veggies for these if you don't eat them already. 8. Berries. Berries are another great source of vitamin C. Strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries all contain a hearty dose of vitamin C that works wonders on the skin. They also contain something called ellagic acid, which has been shown to prevent collagen breakdown by fighting against UV ray damage. Raspberries and blackberries in particular can protect your skin from skin cancer thanks to their antioxidants, which neutralize the free radical damage that sun exposure causes. Berries are a great natural sugar substitute. If you're looking to cut down your sugar intake while maintaining good skin health, you can add them to your breakfast muesli or yogurt, bake them into desserts, or eat them on their own as a sweet snack. 9. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most well-known and popular sources of collagen. Bone broth helps heal the digestive tract and prevent the inflammation that leads to aging and certain autoimmune conditions. It also contains amino acids, which we need to tighten skin and enable it to thrive and stay hydrated. If you've got the time, you can easily make bone broth yourself by boiling beef, chicken, or other animal bones in water until you draw out all their essential nutrients. This process takes several hours to complete, but will give you the best collagen source of all in your diet. You can also purchase pre-made bone broths for similar benefits with far less preparation needed. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, especially sun-dried tomatoes, contain high levels of the vitamin C needed for collagen production. They also contain an antioxidant called lycopene, which experts say can protect skin from sun damage and collagen breakdown. Tomatoes are some of the best all-around anti-aging superfoods to add to your diet and can prevent age-related diseases like osteoporosis and even cancer. Add tomatoes into a salad or a pasta dish for an instant skincare kick. The red fruit provides a base for many Mexican and Italian dishes, so there's plenty of opportunity to use it in your home-cooked dishes. Tomatoes are also a great snacking food on their own. 11. Chlorella. Chlorella is a single-celled algae that you can most commonly purchase as a green tablet or powder. It might sound like an illness from the past, but chlorella is actually providing some of the best natural anti-aging benefits from a dietary source alone. Not only is chlorella a source of beta-carotene, but it also contains another nutrient that may help boost collagen production, chlorella growth factor. Also known as CGF, can only be found in chlorella and contains a certain DNA that give our cells instructions on which functions to perform, including cellular repair and regeneration, which may encourage collagen synthesis. You can add chlorella powder to your smoothies and breakfast dishes or take chlorella tablets as a supplement. 12. Salmon with the skin. While you might naturally remove the skin from your salmon before you eat it, experts say you'll benefit more from leaving it on. In general, salmon is a great anti-aging option as it's rich in the amino acids needed to produce collagen, but salmon skin itself contains a high concentration of type 1 collagen, which accounts for the majority of collagen in the skin. There are ways to cook your salmon that will give it a delicious crispy skin, such as pan-searing it and baking it in a sweet or tangy glaze. Take a look at a few online recipes if you're looking for inspiration. 13. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are all-around nutritional powerhouses. For starters, they're a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, iron, and calcium. A tiny 1-ounce serving of chia seeds also contain 5.6 grams of protein. Mixed with water, they make an effective replacement egg in vegan cooking. For anti-aging, chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 essential fatty acids. These healthy fats build healthy skin cells, providing moisture to the skin, which creates a smooth, supple appearance from the inside out. Simply sprinkle chia onto your sweet or savory dishes or mix with milk or yogurt to make a chia pudding to benefit from the tiny seeds. So, should you consider collagen supplements? While evidence shows that collagen supplements can be effective for anti-aging, you can click here for the best collagen supplements, we would always recommend using food as your first source of medicine. Not only is it more enjoyable to experiment with different food types to increase your collagen intake, it's the most effective way to maintain collagen levels in your body. To conclude, no matter where you choose to get your collagen from, all of us could take value from its anti-aging benefits in spite of age or gender. There's no stopping the natural process of aging or preventing external factors that can cause harm to our skin, like environmental pollutants and sun exposure. But by eating the right diet, we can replenish our collagen levels the healthy and natural way. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 8 benefits, uses, and side effects of collagen peptides. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.